What's going on, guys? Jay that Drain Guy. We're in an apartment today and we tried snaking out the toilet, but it won't clear. We're gonna end up pulling it off and seeing what's at the bottom. I'm gonna turn the camera back on because I don't have a lot of battery right now. Once we get the toilet in the bathtub and flipped over upside down. So bear with me. We'll see you in a second. All right, so we got it in there. You guys can see it's still plugged up. Okay, ma'am, do you have a garbage bag? A small shopping bag of garbage? Huh? Yeah, even a smaller one if you, like a trash bag or... Okay. Well, I just flipped it over here, so... Honestly, nothing solid, just
Freaking dog.
like maybe just too much paper.
Toilet paper?
Like nothing solid like I was saying, like Q-tips and stuff like that.
Okay.
Nothing like that. So it's weird that the snake wouldn't have went through it.
You know, the thing is this, you know, the regular toilet, the thing is usually round. This is not that round. It's like...
The plunger?
No, like...
Oh, here?
Yeah, like the way it's shaped.
Inside, yeah.
That's what the problem is, because I tried with the...
It's this style of toilet.
Yeah.
Like this, it has a double trap and it's...
So the other one,
garbage.
which is a little bit bigger, you can, you know, because I'm saying...
Yeah.
I'm pushing the hanger and I'm saying, like, it's not going anywhere, because normally the other one, it would be like a round circle.
Yeah. Yeah, so the hanger definitely won't work in these toilets.
I'm even wondering if the sewer downstairs is backed up too.
No. If sewer is backed up, if the main sewer is backed up, like on your stack, the bathtub would back up. Yeah.
Nothing major.
No, I didn't pull anything out, so you guys are in the clear.
Thank God, because I was rattling my head. I said, I didn't throw anything difficult down there, because my vacuum that we have, you can, like, with this, you can suck out whatever is in the pipe.
Yeah, you got a shop vac, right?
Yeah.
It's like a wet vac.
So
just in the future though, don't dump anything down the toilet like that, because like even a hair clip, right?
Yeah.
Like a bobby pin,
yeah.
that can plug these up. And I'll show you why exactly. See, See here?
Uh-huh.
Right? There's a little lip on the inside of the toilet,
Oh, yeah,
right?
okay.
So,
So
things
it will
that float like Q-tips and stuff
Oh,
like
yeah,
that,
it will get
it
stuck.
sits right like that and gets stuck. So
Okay.
that's why we say don't do that. All right.
I was even wondering, this thingamajig too. I don't know if something is missing. There's like a screw or something.
No, that's how
That's
it,
how it
that's how
is?
it goes. Yeah. All right.
Alright.
So I'm gonna keep messing around with the camera, so I'm gonna close this up. All right. All right. So you guys seen new gasket, new bolts. I'm gonna turn the camera back on once we put it back together and we test it. Alright guys, so we got it back together, flush it. Always give it 2 flushes. I'm gonna clean the siphon. So, come here, ma'am, I'll show you something. So sometimes when this thing flushes slow, right,
Yeah,
there's a little clip here, okay? Now you should never have to do this, but these toilets are garbage and sometimes... Okay, so we'll pull that up.
Okay.
I got this little rod here.
Uh-huh.
Sometimes when you plunge a toilet, this is a siphon, so at the bottom of the toilet, paper and water can shoot up this,
Oh, okay.
and that can actually plug it. So we'll clear that out. So like you see that hole, right?
Okay.
It lines up right with that, right?
Okay.
So that just slides down. It's not going. That's why.
Not much room in there either.
Nah,
Okay. Oh, hallelujah. Okay. But still.
So sometimes it takes 2 flushes after you clean this. So we're gonna see, and then I might also snake it one more time,
Okay.
just to make sure. How's that look?
Wonderful.
Wonderful? Okay. So, I'm gonna tell you, give it,
Don't worry, I'm
give it a
gonna-
good sanitize.
I have
right?
my bleach and everything
Okay.
ready. Okay.
So, in the future, you
I
didn't,
won't.
you didn't do anything wrong, but just
Yeah.
make sure you don't dump anything down. Only toilet paper. Even things that say flushable, don't flush them.
No,
Right? So
okay.
like baby wipes and stuff. Not saying you guys use those, but
Okay.
alright. There you go. What was your name?
Oh, Patricia.
Patricia. My name is Jay. It was nice meeting you.
All right, not a problem.
All
You
right.
saved.
Alright guys, so hopefully you guys liked the video. Until next time, this has been Jay That Drain Guy signing out. Trogna.